Hello, in this video I want to show you how to add the DPI presets to Dark Core RGB Pro SE Corsair Mouse. And to do this you'll need to get this ICUE app on your PC. You can download it from official Corsair website. Then go for your mouse and then DPI. Inside there's DPI presets on the bottom. Click on this yellow button to add a different preset, and now we can adjust it, and as you can see it changes between the presets. Also, if you want to make this specific preset active, right click on it and go for active. You can copy or delete the presets as well. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.